So we're gonna start this with a little bit of a fail on my part. eBay push lock and eBay fittings. And thank God I watch my own videos, which is probably very crazy of me, but whatever. Yeah, so yesterday I did the write and all that stuff. I actually did a read on the computer and I didn't do a write. So I didn't actually put the ADE segment tune on, so that's why it was acting really funny and sluggish pulling forward, but it would work great in reverse. Today I did some filming and stuff that we'll see in the next day or so. Tomorrow I'm making sure that I get the fuel system done, but drove it around and everything was great, and then I pulled it in the backyard and went to do a burnout and popped that line as soon as I went to do the burnout, and so sprayed fluid everywhere, and now I hear baby crying. So we're at the wifey's birthday party and we're talking about some old footage from back in the day, and it reminded me of something cool, so I got a hold of a buddy and he gave me permission to use all this stuff. So this kind of lets you guys know where the channel originally would have came from in like 2014 had I actually filmed and did stuff like this like I had originally said I was going to. This is just me messing around on the streets with some buddies, and we had made a video and just some random stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out there, and then don't forget to fill out all the stuff and do all the stuff for the giveaway and win yourself a fancy hydro and some stickers and some goodies. So giveaway stuff, oops, with the Envoy, and hope you guys enjoy this footage, and I'll leave you with that.
Alright, I'm recording, so whenever Tyler says go. Hold on. Whatever you want.
I'm going to turn that ray on that body and endow it with life.
And you really believe that you can bring life to the dead?
That body is not dead. It has never lived. I created it. I made it with my own hands from the bodies I took from graves, from the gallows, anywhere. Go and see for yourself.